start to talk with the pen. Like my spit raising tenant dog, I'm sharp with the phlegm. Arson the trends, marks on my skin, be reading caution. Defeating all these so-called nights, MCs in Boston. Never tentative approaching, him smoking, most ghost when quotes from my throat roast them. Respect the name, reps in the game, interchange things. Fit is my claim, so feel the flame, shorty. Don't ever step to Corey with the terror jack, Terry Drew back, pin it pat pat. Your punchlines, gotta stand back when I bust mine. Plus rhyme material, imperial spitter when it's clutch time. Two prehistoric animals, handed like cannibals. Salute the ark, 21 times, you'll cock a hammer to the voice. Over 7L, presence felt like a spirit. When you hear it, you reckon it's heaven dealt.
To the tracks, my rhymes run you over like trains. How many times I gotta say that? One man army, assume the battle stands. I snow rap flows, impact like avalanche. You never had a chance, we got it locked like dominoes. Unstoppable, my style is diabolical. I write articles equivalent to light particles. My rhyme's definition is shine, is quite logical.
Set sail, jet propel and exhale. We fire on these cats, catch hell when I exhale. We share, overcome, overthrow, prevail. The system we rebel, the mainstream as well. Sacred politics and the soul, not for sale. We don't blaze the same trail, drink from the same well. My only purpose is to derail the infidel. If Boston says well, and expel that crass mail, repair your personnel.
Shit, Busta. I break up whack rappers repeated. I break up whack rappers repeated. I break up whack rappers repeated.
Cats I've assaulted, ain't neither high exalted. As a terrorist, their cleverest nemesis. Out for evidence, these cats is effortless. Sever their wrist with this disc on the premises. Magazine, keep my shit, said these done better. You read creeps, read it in weak like love letters. I bring pain, bring game, bring rain. Bring slang and pump shit like Stinger Kane. I did your man a favor by writing his words. When he didn't have the money that my writing is worth. When you fuck with esoteric, you go right in the hearse. When you mention dope cash, shame is buying his verse. Cause I keep spitting heat till I'm dying of thirst. While you try to rehearse, you better tighten your verse. Yo, I'm so nice, labels try to sign me at birth. Just knowing I could be the finest rhymer on earth.
Let's bounce, come on, bounce, come on, bounce, come on, bounce. Push 'em up, everybody, push 'em up. 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 And if you wanna make it hot, we make it rough. Say ho, say ho. Hey yo, jump, 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 jump. Somebody say ho. Say ho, ho.
Get out with LPP. Yeah, you know me. Get out with LPP.
Ooh, Lord.
Chumps try me, but when they eye me, I build the skills. And to enhance my chances, I'm thrilled to be involved with solving all the problems with the way that the sound has gone down. So I frown at the scene where you've taken it, and like the winds of change, I'll be breaking it up, shaking it up, clamming it out, amming it out, and bearing the clouds on my chest, like a crest that rests on a tidal wave. Only the good I'll save when I plunge and engulf the ones who aren't sons, who converge with uns to make friends. Yo, I recommend that you get back there, sit back there, contemplate, calculate, and concentrate on these rhymes that I pick to stick to your mind, and then I'll raise you straight to the next phase. Cause I will amaze with much force, and like the power that comes from the source, which is greater and stronger, of course. If you didn't know, I will tell you that all the blind no minds I give hell to. And if you comprehend what is said, then you'll be staying 2 steps ahead. Steps ahead. Steps ahead.